Hey, I'm Jeremy Devereaux, and I wanted to show you one of the most interesting projects that I've done in over 30 years of windows and doors. This is an outside patio, and our client has this beautiful view of this lake, and it's just gorgeous. Last year when it was freezing, he was trying to enjoy this outdoor space, and it got down to in the teens or whatever it did, and he just couldn't enjoy his space. And when it gets 100 degrees, he doesn't like sitting out here either. So he wants to temperature control this room. So he's buying these big glass panels. It's a stackable Euro wall. It all slides down to one end and stacks for on days they want to enjoy the pool and outdoor space. But most of the time he wants to have this closed and temperature controlled inside with heating and AC. So here's what we had to do. You see his patio goes all the way over to the cooking area. He didn't want to take that whole area in. So he figured a spot where he wanted to put a door. So what we had to do is put in a power beam. We actually put in a laminated power beam, and we tied it to the structure of the home and beefed it up to make sure it's plenty strong enough, because these glass panels are 3/8 tempered glass, really heavy. So we had to create that. That closes this one off. And the stacking system, when it all stacks down here on the end to get this opening wide open, it all stacks here. So there's a lot of weight, a couple thousand pounds right in here. So we had to beef that up. If you see all the different hangers that we tied into power beams to structurally engineer this area to hold up so much weight, that's why we had to do that. So we have our stucco guy coming, and he's going to wrap all the beams and make it beautiful so all this patio matches. Paint it the same color, and it'll be beautiful. These are the locks that lock down into the floor. That's what keeps them from moving around. So in our threshold here, we had to drill down for these receivers and into the tile, so the chute bolt's long enough to install down in there to make it secure. So when you shut this panel, you get it lined up, and you turn these locks, and that shoots the bolt down into the receiver there to keep this secure, so it holds up to strong winds and locks and becomes as weather tight as possible. And now this family can enjoy this outdoor patio area in a climate controlled temperature where they'll be the most comfortable. It's really an awesome project. If you're interested in a project like this, check out thewindowexperts.com. Thanks for watching this video.